Hit it hard. Oh, good job. Hit it yourself. Yay! He did it! He's proud of himself. Turn this way. Okay. Put your legs out. Good job. Okay. Good job. My feet. Yay! You did it! Look, you did! Oh, you want to hit it hard, don't you? Right here? So, over here. And hit! Oh, good hit.
You have to hit it in. You have to hit it in. You don't put it in.
You hit it. Yay!
Very good. Very good, Josh.
Look, I'm so proud of myself. Okay, you want to hit it hard. Oh, good shot. Yay! Okay.
Let him hit it by himself.
No, he's doing good with me.
Well, you're right.
That's his practice with me. It's his practice. Oh, so close. Yay! The ball went in.
Dad, I should be ready in 10 minutes.
Okay, honey.
I have so much, I didn't work half Friday, I didn't get much done this weekend,
I was just taking a movie of the kids, and I'm taking a movie of you right now.
Yay! Now it's go for our turn. Oh,
Hey, wave up to us.
hi! Yay!
And here's Grampy. Hello, everybody.